Hello friends, we have been through the design and then implementation of the OBA system, and essentially there are two versions of this system. So there is the issue of release management, like one OBA system is for a market, say the North America, and the other system is for say Europe. So we need to provide the right version to the right client. So let us see the two versions, how you can create the two versions from the same source code and same system. So what I have done is first I have created the 1.2 version where uh, where the functionality of the transfer mechanism is there, like from one account user can transfer to another account, and then there is a charge for the service request for new checkbook. So it looks like this. Let me show you. Okay, so it has new account functionality, balance, service request, pay bills, transfer, and close account, right? So we need to create a version which does not have transfer, and there is a change in the service request where there is no charge. So let us do that. So what I have done is I have copied the same project and named it Bank 6, and I need to do two things here. You remember the code uh, which creates a new service request. So it is in this Java class register user. So in register user, let us see the code. So when a new service request is created for a new checkbook, so what we are doing is we are creating this record for a new checkbook request, and then we are doing some change in the in the user's account. What we are doing is we are deducting $5. Let me show you. What we are doing is we are getting the account information for the user from the record, and from there we get the amount, what is the current balance in this account, and then we are deducting these $5, right? So that whenever a new service request is created, a $5 is charged and deducted from the account of the user. So in the other version, like OWASP 1.1, uh, there is no charge, right? So what I have done is I have removed this section of the code from here, this deduction, right? So this I have removed in the other version. You see here I have, so there is no charge. So even when the user requests a new checkbook, he won't be charged, right? So this change we needed to do, and the other thing is we don't want this transfer, right? And all the functionality for the transfer is written on the JSP files. So we need to remove the JSP files. So what I have done is uh, the other project, I have created this new project. So one thing I did is in the register user, I have changed code. I removed the code where the user is charged. And the other thing is this transfer page. There were two transfer pages, transfer1.jsp and transfer.jsp files. We need to remove that. So in the new uh, project, I have deleted those two files. You can see there are no transfer files JSP files here. And the other thing we need to do is we need to remove this transfer menu from all the files. So we need to go to all files. Okay, here, and there used to be a transfer menu over here, right? So that I have removed. I went to there, and here there was a link for this transfer. So that I have removed. Okay. So on each of those these files, I have removed this file, so that the file as well as the code is now gone. So now the version 1.1 is also ready. So we can send, say, the version 1.1 is required for Europe. So we will be sending this project, this bank 6. This project we will be sending to Europe, and bank 1, which has the functionality for transfer, bank transfer, and service charge for checkbook, we will be sending to North America. So that is how you do release management, and we did this way for our OWASP system. So this was all about this release management, and the next session I will take is to provide the testing, how we did the testing for OWASP. So thanks for your time, and bye for now.